Good morning, gents. Welcome back for another video of how to surface reset. Today I'm going to show you how to surface reset a Volkswagen Golf 6 type. It's a 2009 model, and I'm going to show you how to surface reset this manually. Before we start, I want to mention my YouTube channel. It's Surface Reset My Car. Feel free to subscribe if you want to help me develop more videos, and thumbs up if you like my videos. Okay, as you can see, this is a Golf 6 2009 model, and when we turn the ignition on, and this appears on the dashboard that surface has to be done. Okay, it's important to have the ignition on the second position, like this. Then we have to go through the menu to find it. Like this, and then go down with the arrow button. Then you'll find a menu that says service. You have to find this one. Yes, once you have found that, you have to click OK, press OK, arrow down, and you have an option to reset, like this. Press OK again, like this. And do you really want to reset the service? Just ask me. OK, and now the service has been done. Very easy. You have to find the menu of the service, and once you found that, then you have to go through the menu to reset it. Thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe to my channel, and if you like our videos, thumbs up please. Thank you. See you next time. Bye bye.